Hi everyone, this is Laura. I'm an avid budgeter on a journey to become debt-free and build my wealth for the next generation, breaking generational strongholds of debt so the next generation can live and give like they were meant to. So if that interests you, then stick around as we catch budget, do saving challenges, and break free from debt. Okay, we're going to go ahead and just jump into it, and I pre-added how much money we're working with today, which is $903. That way, just to save us some time, and we're going to start off with my high priority sinking fund binder. And just a reminder, this is after I've already paid all my bills. I've already allocated groceries and gas and all the extras that I need in the checking account. Those are all taken care of, and this is a leftover afterwards. So we're going to go ahead and start off with childcare. And it looks like right here that childcare, I did 30 last time, and we'll do 30 again. Let's do 20 and 30. And okay. Next one we have is car maintenance. And see, I've just done it, I actually misstated it, but I just done it so that car maintenance is right here and what my goal is. Once I've met that goal, then I'll no longer need to stuff it, and I'll just kind of bypass that one. But for now, today we're going to do, see here, 316. We're going to add another 20, making it 40 in here right now. Let's do 2 5s, a 10, and a 20. Oh, I was right. I said just 20, didn't I? Let's just do that then. We'll save the rest for next time. Birthdays. Is going to get, looks like 10. So let's go ahead. Let's just take the 2 5s and put this 10 back. Next we have graduation. And I did 10 last time, so we'll just go ahead and do 10 this time as well. Alright, next we have for haircuts, and you know, like I said, the boys and their haircuts, I'm telling you, last time we did 10, but I think we're going to need to up it if they're going to be able to get their haircut done anytime soon. So let's do 20 this time, giving me 30. Alright, perfect. Moving, okay. And again, I have another sinking fund for moving, a long-term one. This is going to be more for like, you know, what it takes to like move, like actually get in the car, gasoline, you know, food along the way, that kind of a thing when we get there. So let's add a 20 in here too, making this 30. And I am all for the tips and tricks. If you have any tips and tricks for moving, making things easier, you just let me know. Or maybe something popped up that you didn't plan for expense-wise. I want to know that too. Let me know in the comments, because I feel like I try to plan for everything, but there's always something else. Okay, pet care. We did 20 last time. We're going to do 20 this time as well. He just got groomed, and it is lovely. He's all nice and fresh. Next thing I really should say about 4 is one of those, I don't know if anybody's ever used it, but it's like a vacuum for a pet, and you comb him with it and it sucks up the hair into the vacuum, because even though he just got groomed, he's still super hairy and summer's coming and I'm afraid. So I think I might get that and save up for that as well. I'll have to let you know. Let me know if you have one of those and how that works out, because I'm telling you, hair and trying to run after your tail to do cleanup after that while you have little kids, that is something else right there. I'm always trying to figure out things to make life easier and less cleaning, because, you know, who wants to waste their life away doing that? So next we have health. I believe last time we did like pretty little, yeah, 10. And we're just going to do 10 this time as well. Okay, we'll do 2 5, so otherwise I think we might have just a ton left over at the end. Okay, and let's see what we got next is subscriptions. And we did have 10 in here, and we're just going to do another 10 as well. Okay, so this is my high priority sinking funds, the ones that I really do need. This will, you know, cause me to go back in debt if I don't have these. So they're the most important ones. You know, if your car breaks and you have to borrow from a credit card, that's going into debt. You know, birthdays, it's like I have 6 kids, so I always need them. So these are the high priorities, haircuts, things like that, that I don't have accounted for in my bank account, but happen all the time. Then I have my second high priority ones, and these are things that if I had to go without, I could. But since we have money left this time, I'm going to go ahead and stuff them. If I didn't, then I wouldn't. So if you're on the low income side, I think that, and I have been in the past, sometimes I don't have very much to stuff at all. I'll just do these and skip these till next time. And that's okay too, you know. So we're going to go ahead and do date night though. And we did 15 last time. We'll go ahead and give it a 20 today. I don't know how many years it was that these had to be skipped, and I just want to encourage you not to be disappointed with that, but instead tell yourself at least you're able to do these ones. And if you're not there and you're still not able to do cash stuffing and you're just desiring how to break free and actually build more cash and get there, then my suggestion to you is to really start tracking those expenses. Okay. We don't realize how much we spend until we start tracking it. Eating out got 25 last time. We're going to give it, let's give it another 25 this time. I know it's hard because I think as Americans, we just desire to go out and do stuff, like just kind of way the society is built, but we have to keep our priorities straight. I think having the cash envelopes really helps keep it tangible and not just in a bank accruing, right? Okay. And we're going to do fun. Let's see here. We had 10 last time. And you know what? Let's do 20 this time. I am just absolutely loving these envelopes that I got. I love that they're the show ones, but I also really like how well made they are. Sometimes I've gotten some and I haven't liked them, and these have been really good. Clothing, I only put 5 in there last time, so let's step it up a notch. Let's put in 15. Okay. We can get it here. And then the miscellaneous, I should have budgeted for it, but I didn't. Let's give it a little more too, because you just never know, do ya? Let's do 15 on that one as well. Okay. And then we have kids and extra for them. These are like all the things that I forget about as a mom. We'll give it 10. You know, it's picture day, Mom. Oh, it is. And pictures, I don't know. they're crazy expensive. I just feel like every time. Yeah, they always come at like weird times when I don't have anything left or something. So we need to start saving up for that. Amazon, Etsy. Let's see, for my obsession, I probably should keep it humble. Let's just do 5. I'd love more, but you know, reality here. I'm absolutely just addicted to both of them. So, but it does help having it here instead of paying on a card. If you're just constantly just swipe, 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 I'm telling you, it just gets away from you. For my hubby, his obsession is the auction. There's like an auction house here that he absolutely loves. Let's give him, you know what, let's give him 25. And he does. He finds amazing deals, but yeah, it adds up quickly, and so it's good to give him some extra as well. All right, so we're going to do 25 for him. Like, let's see, he's gotten like a hot tub. He's gotten you know, those auto vacuums, like I told you, for the dog, less work, better. You know, go around and vacuum and mop for you. Those are lovely. So, and I don't have any receipts to go into Fetch, but again, Fetch is an app that helps you make points to turn in and get money for Amazon gift cards and things like that. And I'll have the link below for that again as well. So, okay, those are my high and my high priority sinking funds. Those are all set and done. Okay, so that's all the high priority sinking fund stuff for my second paycheck, but go ahead and check out this next video you see here on the screen to see an unboxing of these amazing envelopes that I have from Etsy, and even some saving challenges unboxing is in there as well. Until next time, remember, no matter what, find joy in the journey.